Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Ed's Metalworks. We're in the shop. It's cold outside. And it's the holiday season. So we got a little project to put us in the spirit, I guess. Anyway, let me show you what we got going. You can see over my shoulder a Christmas tree of sort. Let me grab the camera here. All right, this is what we're up to. Make these Christmas trees. It's a half-inch conduit, or not conduit, half-inch rebar. I don't know where I got the conduit at, but half-inch rebar, 5 by 8 inch by 3/8 plate on the bottom. The plate come out of a piece of scrap steel, and some 1/4 inch rod. And some ornaments, 15 ornaments. And the ornaments are held on there with little red wire ties. But we're gonna go ahead and bend up a couple of these. I'll show you how we bend them. But I already prefabricated the base plates. I might have built 2 more. The base plates are here. These holes are 1 7/8 center to center, so that's how that comes out. The way I determined the size of my tree is I just laid out these ornaments on the table in the spacing that you see here. It looks good, and then we measured, drew straight lines, and this is how we come up with the size of our tree. But anyway, then we laid out the fixture on my welding table. It's just a couple pieces of pipe, half-inch pipe, welded to the table, and we'll heat up the rebar and bend it around here to come up with our shape. These are 10-foot pieces of rebar that I'm starting with, and you end up with about 45 inches left over. I suppose I could try to determine exactly what I need, but I can always use those pieces on another project anyway. So I'll get you set up here, and we'll go ahead and bend up a couple of these and try to make a couple more trees. Just for a little reference, in case somebody wants to copy these, I'll do a little measurement here for you. It's about 23 1/4 down the sides, 23 1/4, and it's 18 5/8 across the bottom. These are outside measurements around these pipes. Of course, these two are about, there's about a 2 1/8 inch spacing in between these two, because the rebar comes over the top and down, over the top and down, around the outside, over the top of this and down. All right, I'll get you set up and we'll do a little bending. All right, I hope I got you set up at a good angle there to see this bending process, but I'll get the torch fired up and we'll get to bending here. Just use a little rosebud tip here. Mark on here. We'll heat that up a couple of inches each way of that. past there. It fits good. Alright, second band here. It's pretty important to get a couple inches of hot area in here so that it conforms to the 1/2 inch pipe of the fixture. If you try just to heat the little area, it don't bend worth a dang. This one. Let it settle in there a little bit. Straight bend there. Alright. On to the next. Heat this up a little bit more and get that sucked in there. This other side up so we can get it flattened out good when it's in this one. Yeah, there's one bent. We'll let it cool a little bit. We'll pry it up off there and try to get everything nice and flat. And you got to go up over these humps, over these fixture plate or these pipes. You kind of got to bend it out of the flat position to get that to line up. But they're cool here a little bit. See if we can pry it up off there. They really conformed to the pipes. Well, my goodness. This one's really tight. The last one wasn't that tight, but we'll pop it up off here. Oh, maybe. Let me get a bigger bar. That's what you call fitting the fixture exactly. Oh my. Might call for some heat to get it back over here. I think we get it popped up over here somewhere. We'll be all right. See, we struggle. We struggle. Holy smoke. I didn't experience this with the first one I bought or built. Of course, when I'm filming it, it makes a difference. There we go. Bigger bar yet? Now, we'll get the big gun out. There you go. Get the big gun out. There it is. Now what we'll redo is we'll reheat some of these bends to get it flattened out. You see it isn't sitting quite flat. But holy smokes, had a heck of a time getting that off of there. So let's heat it up and get it sitting flat. That tight around there. There it is. Yeah, at least you got to see me struggle a little bit, but that was amazing how tight it was around there. Like I said, first one I didn't experience that, but anyway, there's our Christmas tree shape. Get one of our, got to cut our legs off here and put our plate on there. So I'll bring you right back. I'll get set up to do all that. Alrighty. We got these measured down 6 inches from the inside here to theirs. The base, 6 inches. Now we'll get our little chopping disc and chop them off of there. Deburr that end. Slide one of our base plates on here. Yeah, let's see how this side kind of set that last one up. All right, we'll fire the welder up and tack that on there. Get a couple long clamps here first. Clamp that down. The only one needed. just tack this and we'll make sure everything is pretty square. 5.5 there, 5.5 there. All right, give it a good tack. Bottom side here. Sand off them tacks a little bit. Stand it up and see how things look. Alright, see we're leaning this way a little bit. I'll bang it on the counter a couple times. It's a little better. Do it again. Boy, that don't look too bad now. Let me get a level. Maybe we can set a level on there and see what it looks like. Yeah, a little bit. Not bad at all. How about this way? Yeah, we're off quite a bit that way. Not a lot. Give it a little bang that way. Oh, I way too far that time. Broke one of my tacks. And we're going to weld them on the top here. Anyway, sorry, I got the camera pointed out of the way. That's the tree standing up. I'm gonna clean up this base plate and then we'll lay it down and get some rods cut to hang the ornaments on. Let me bring you back when we get that far. All right, now we gotta put our little rods in here to hang the ornaments on. It's kind of important to get this first one flat level. No, the first tree I did, they were cocked off a little bit and it looked kind of strange. So I've made a line here on the bench that's parallel to the base, and that's where we're going to start the first one, which is about this spacer block. Then I have these other spacer blocks for the rest of them going up there. I'm spacing it off the table with a piece of 3/16 flat stock. So I'll set you up over here and we'll get these cut. All I do is measure, put a block in there and measure across the top of the block. Come over here, slice my 1/4 inch rod and get it welded in here. I'll set you up over here and we'll get to it. Like I said, I have this first one ready to go. Number 2 spacer block in here and get us a measurement for this next one, which it looks like our clamp's going to be in the way. Get down here a little bit. Get us measurement across the top of here, and we'll make it 11 7/8. Like I said, we'll go over here and cut one. I'm not going to move the camera way over there, but it's the 11 7/8 mark. Sorry, I forgot to turn the camera back over here, but put our other spacer block in here. Here's the measurement. Call it 8 5/8. Over here, measure. Man, I got that one a little long. That, but better long than short again. Ah. One, two, three. We can get this one first time. It's called 5 inches. going down 2 inches. 2 inches. So we're gonna have to make this one 2 inches. Spacer up here. This one. Bitty piece is the hardest one to work with. There we go. Kind of hard to see all the, this one come out a little bit crooked, but that'll probably be all right. It's not a long one. Anyway, a little variation makes it look like it's handmade. course, I'll go down the backside and weld the backside all these too, but that's the ornament Christmas tree. Go over and give you a look at the finished product one time. Won't bore you with putting all the ornaments on there, but there's the finished one with the ornaments on it. So I guess all I can say this time is thanks for watching. It's kind of you see my struggles on these little projects, and you see my couple wins along the line too. So everybody have a good holiday season, and stay in the shop, stay busy. This is Ed's Metal Works signing out.